Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Red Dead Redemption game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser and just search for the Steam website. Once you search for it, simply open it. Now here you will see the login option on the right hand top. So just click on this login option. Now here simply sign into your account, guys. If you don't have an account, then you need to create an account on Steam to download this game. So just scroll down, you will see the option of create an account. So just create an account on Steam. So once you create the account, then you need to download the Steam on your PC and install it. Then just click on this option of install Steam you are seeing on the top. Then just click on the install Steam. Then just download the Steam and install it on your PC, guys. This is very simple and easy. After that, simply open up the Steam, then log in, check out, then click on the top search box and just type the Red Dead Redemption and this game appeared on the top. So simply open up this Red Dead Redemption game. So guys, once you open up this game, now here just scroll down and you'll see the option of add to cart. So just click on this option of add to cart you are seeing here and then just click on the option of view my cart. Then just click on the option of continue to payment, guys. Now here simply pay with the PayPal or any other card you have. Guys, this is very simple and easy. So once you pay the amount, now game was added to Steam library. Just go to the library or your Steam and on the left hand side just find the Red Dead Redemption. Then just click on that, click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it and bye bye.